Hey, I'm Dave Matthews, CEO of a company called Neuaer, and we have an app in the Android marketplace called ToothTag. ToothTag lets you tag things around you. They can be your car's Bluetooth, they can be your friend's Bluetooth, they can be the Wi-Fi at the coffee shop. And by tagging these things, you can then set up rules. Those rules can be, buzz me when my friend gets nearby, play a song like Murder, She Wrote when my ex-girlfriend gets by, or things like automatically checking in to locations, like your favorite coffee shop. All you have to do with ToothTag is walk in one time, tag the Wi-Fi in the coffee shop, and then each subsequent time you go into the coffee shop, it'll automatically check you in. Now, you might say, Dave, I don't want my boss to know that I'm going to the coffee shop 17,000 times per day. Well, we have a solution for you. You can put in rules, and those rules can be after 10 minutes, check me in. So if you just run in for a minute or two at a time, it won't check you in. But if you spend 20 minutes there, it'll check you in. My favorite feature is Google Voice auto forwarding. With Google Voice, if it rings my cell phone while I'm at the house, I have no cell phone coverage at home, so it immediately goes to voicemail. But what I've set up with ToothTag is as soon as I walk in my home, my Android phone sees that I'm inside my house via the Wi-Fi, and it automatically turns off forwarding to my cell phone, and it turns on forwarding to my VoIP adapter in the house. So problem solved, tragedy averted, and now I can receive calls. So what's most important about this platform is that we want you to build on it. ToothTag is no more than a showcase app. We want to see what you guys can build on it. And I think dating, commerce, hooking up with friends, whatever, is going to be the killer app for this proximity platform. So we launched the technology first on Android because it gave us very much an open API to work with. Apple's very constrained with their APIs. But we will eventually have an Apple model for the iPhone and iOS devices, but we're not sure if it'll have the full functionality that Android will have. In the future, you'll be able to just walk into an establishment and not have to check in and be pushed offers through any number of services. And that's what's really cool. We're designing this to be app, platform, and location service agnostic. We want all the services, whether it's Yelp, Gowalla, Foursquare, you name it, to come to you automatically on the phone. So you can find ToothTag in the Android store or go to toothTag.net on the web. If you want to know more about the proximity platform, just go to proximityplatform.com.
MyLocationScout.com. List it, rent it, film it.
That's a wrap.